Liberty the bald eagle soared high, wings wide. Beary, I heard about a big meeting far away in China. 2 leaders are talking. Let's learn more. Beary the bear nodded, munching honey. A meeting? Who's there, Liberty? I want to know if they're friends or fussing like grumpy neighbors. Liberty perched on a tree. It's Mr. Trump from our land and Mr. Xi from China. They're big bosses who make important choices. Beary scratched his head. China's so far. Why meet? Are they arguing over toys or honey? I don't like fights at all. Liberty flapped her wings. No fights, Beary. Mr. Trump flew to China. Mr. Xi welcomed him with smiles like a big party. Beary grinned. A party? That's swell. Did they share snacks? I bet they had cake and laughed. Liberty chuckled. Not just cake, Beary. They talked about being partners. That means helping each other, not being grumpy rivals. Beary tilted his head. Rivals? Like when I race squirrels for nuts? I don't like losing, but helping sounds nice. Liberty nodded. Exactly, Mr. Xi said. If they work together, both lands can be happier. No need for squabbles or frowns. Beary clapped his paws. Happier, golly, that's grand. Like when we share honey and build forts. Teamwork makes every day better. Liberty soared low. Yes, Beary, these leaders want their people to smile, trade goodies, and solve big problems side by side. Beary thought hard. Problems? Like when my den leaks? If I help squirrels fix theirs, we all stay dry. That's smart. Liberty winked. Just like that, Mr. Trump and Mr. Xi are trying to fix things together so everyone's den stays cozy. Beary danced. I like cozy dens. Do they shake paws to promise help? I shake paws with friends all... Liberty smiled. They shook hands, Beary. It's a promise to be pals, not foes. A handshake means trust and kindness. Beary cheered. Trust is dandy. Once I shared my fishing spot with a fox. Now we're pals. Sure and feels so good. Liberty pointed east. That's the spirit. Far in China, these leaders are learning that being pals beats being cranky any day. Beary yawned. I'm learning too, Liberty. If big bosses can be friends, I can share my honey with more critters. Liberty fluffed her feathers. You got it, Beary. Even faraway meetings teach us to be kind right here in our woods. Beary looked puzzled. But what if they disagree? Sometimes I want all the berries. Should I still share anyway? Liberty nodded. Yes, Beary, disagreements happen, but talking nice helps. Mr. Trump and Mr. Xi are talking to fix things together. Beary smiled. Talking nice? I can do that. Next time, I'll ask squirrels to share berries. We'll figure it out. Liberty soared high. That's the way. These leaders show us that kind words can turn frowns into big, happy grin. Beary hugged a tree. Grins are the best. I'll tell all my pals in the woods about this faraway friendship lesson. Liberty landed near. Good idea, Beary. Let's spread the news. Friendship isn't just for leaders. It's for us critters, too. Beary waved. Hey, squirrels, foxes, come hear about a big meeting in China. It's all about being pals, not foes. Liberty sang out. Join us, friends. Let's share honey and nuts. Let's build forts and laugh just like those leaders. Beary giggled. Look, Liberty! Everyone's sharing now. Our woods are happier, just like those faraway lands. Liberty beamed. See, Beary? One kind choice starts it all. Friendship grows when we help, from woods to big cities. Liberty and Beary cheered. Remember, pals, it's better to be friends and help each other than to fight. Working together makes everyone happier.